Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google Chrome features a tab search button that's found to the top left of the browser. That lets you search your tabs, you can view your open tabs and your recently closed tabs. Now, just to let you know that it seems that according to a couple of patches over on Chromium Gerrit, that Google is thinking of moving the tab search once again. Now, I say once again because, as we have been talking about on the channel, if we head over to Chrome Canary as an example, Google already has this combo button where the tab search is featured right next to the Add New Tab as what they call in a combo button. And I'll leave a video on how to enable this in the stable version. I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen if you'd like to check that out if you are running stable or even in Canary. Now, the first change is that Google could be adding a new tab search item to Chrome's main menu or the three-dot menu. So that tab search could be added into this menu, and that's according to this patch over on Chromium Gerrit. It says combo button, add app menu item. So there's a good chance that they could start experimenting with that. And then the second change is that Google could be adding the tab search button. This could be moved to the toolbar and then become one of these options for your toolbar that's featured in the side panel, where you'll be able to turn tab search on and off in the actual toolbar. And I actually think I like that. I quite fancy having, if you want to use the feature, fancy having it in the toolbar as an on-off option where you can turn it on or off. And there's been quite a bit of feedback where users don't like having the tab search in the tab strip, be that with a combo button in preview or in the actual stable version where it's, you know, to the left here, kind of in that tab strip. So this is an interesting one to watch. So like all these new features that roll out, I certainly hope though we've got options. At this stage, it just seems like a lot of tab searches in a lot of different locations in the browser. Google's still working on it here in the combo button, and obviously in the stable version it's been moved from the right to the left, and then there was a flag to move it back to the right, and then, you know, so it's been a bit of a backwards and forwards process. But I'm keeping my eyes on this, and still early days, and if I get any more info I'll post and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.